If you haven't built a property portfolio yet, this is probably why. You probably think you need to earn a lot of money or borrow a lot of money. You don't? Like, you can literally be earning $70,000 a year with no debt, and I can teach you how to build an empire off of that. I can teach you to buy properties for $300,000-$400,000. I only need a borrowing capacity of $300,000-$400,000, and then I can infinitely teach you how to keep protecting that borrowing capacity over time. I was gonna hold myself back from saying this next one, but fuck it. Most people are stuck because they actually don't give a rat's ass about their own time. They don't respect their time on this earth. Like, the middle class are happy just continuing to be like a minion working in like a 9-to-5 job. Like, I know people who are genuinely so happy at doing that for the rest of their lives. Yay, good on you. I'm talking about those that complain. I'm talking about those who are like, I hate my job, or blah, blah, blah. Or fuck the system, woe is me. Respect your time by trying to work out how to get money to get your time back. That's what rich people do, is they pay to get their time back. The other reasons why you haven't built wealth is probably because of the 5 closest people you hang around with. So the people that I spend my time with, they level me up. So when I level up, the time that I spend with people is very critical. Like, you have to be ultra lucky to be in the top 5 people that I surround myself with, even the top 10. And so if you can't keep up with me, then the time that you get to spend with me decreases. Doesn't mean I don't love those people. I fucking love those people. But the mission of what I'm trying to achieve is far greater than me. So every time when I'm playing it small in my mind and I think to myself, why am I thinking small like this? I'm like, who have I been talking to or hanging out with lately? So number 4 reason why you haven't yet built a property portfolio is likely because you didn't know that you could use the equity inside your existing home to pay for literally everything to buy another investment property. Like, you need 0 of your own cash when you use equity out of your existing home. Huh? Fuck, I love this game, seriously. And 5, you didn't know that you can pay for a buyer's agent, so use the equity to pay for a buyer's agent to do the heavy lifting for you to buy the properties inside the top 1% suburbs without you barely having to lift a finger. It's kind of like, it's literally like, it's just like, it's a no-brainer. So I'd love to know, comment below, out of those 5 reasons, how many of those do you tick out of those 5? And if you're ballsy enough, comment which one of those 5 is the assumption or the thing that's holding you back. And then you can DM me, and then I can give you either a book or like an activity to do to get you through or past that thing.